always say the best way to see a country is hop on your bicycle, pedal your legs, and go and experience the sights and sounds of the locals. So it's not the Kruger Park and it's not the Okavango Delta. We are now in Italy for the start of our next adventure, which has kicked off with courtesy of Air France leaving Karen's bag in Paris, which is going to make the start of our 6-day cycle trip through Tuscany quite interesting tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
But hopefully they can get the bag to the hotel the next day or two. We are going to make a plan to get from Bologna, where we have just landed, to Florence by train. So we're on our way to the train station at the moment. And we then plan to meet up with some good friends of ours who you will meet later and who you have met before. And I think we have some pasta making and wine drinking planned for this evening. So yeah, the next adventure has officially kicked off, and let's see what the next couple of days hold. Okay, good morning. We have successfully made it to Florence. We had a good train ride from Bologna yesterday. It was a high-speed train. I think we got up to about 300 kilometers an hour. And what I thought would take us about 2 hours to get to Florence only took about 45 minutes, which was amazing. But yeah, we've had our first night in Italy, and it's so far so good. We had an amazing cooking class, pasta cooking class last night. Actually, before that, we met up with Chris and Donna, had a beer or two and a very light lunch, and then did some walking around the town. and then went for this pasta making course last night, where the skills were flowing and the red wine was flowing. Some of us had more red wine than others. The people not on the walk today, I think, took the unlimited wine very seriously, and be that as it may, I think they're paying the price this morning. But yeah, we're about to, I guess, go and find ourselves a coffee to start the day, and then the plan is to actually kick off our cycling tour. So it's a self-guided cycling event, cycling tour that starts here in Florence, and today we make our way down to Chianti. It's about a, I don't know, 49-50 kilometer cycle, which should be really good. We're looking forward to that, and yeah, no doubt we'll find ourselves in some new accommodation and some new sights and sounds along the way. So yeah, really looking forward to that. And then every day is a new destination. So yeah, I always say the best way to see a country is to hop on your bicycle, pedal your legs, and go and experience the sights and sounds of the locals. So that's exactly what we intend to do over the next couple of days, and yeah, really looking forward to it. Right, the tour has started. We're just leaving Florence on our way to Chianti today, 50 kilometers. Looking forward to having some fun on the bike. So never underestimate the value in stopping and chatting to the locals. We hired these bikes, and I've been trying to find a bike shop for the last probably 2 hours to find a little Garmin mount for my Garmin GPS. Anyway, we stopped in a little town called Greve in Chianti, and the owner of the bike shop kindly sold me his Garmin mount and told me I could use it, and then proceeded to recommend a little winery called Savignola Paulina, which they were friends with the owner of. And we've ridden into the countryside and we found this little winery, and let me show you what it looks like. Take a look at this. That is pretty spectacular.
Take the circle all the way back. Yeah.
That's what she said.
There we go.
But we still gotta get to.
So we've just had the most magnificent lunch. Parma ham, salami, cheese, a little wine tasting, and we are now making our way back to the town. And we still have to find our accommodation for the night, so probably another 20 or 30 k's of riding. But what a good day so far. What do you say, Chris, man?
Don't forget about the dessert, bro.
The dessert.
Sorbet, oh, the sorbet.
Wine infused sorbet.
The sorbet was delicious.
Very good. Look how beautiful this is. So if you're ever in Tuscany or Chianti in particular, Savignola Paolina, beautiful little boutique wine farm. They make the Chianti Classico, they do a lovely lunch. They've got beautiful views, definitely worth a visit. How's this for a beautiful ride? Right, we've ridden into the picturesque little town of Panzano in Chianti. It's a little historic town at the top of this hill. And yeah, so beautiful. I mean, the views are incredible either side of the town. And we're just making our way up to the old historic church, which is right at the top of the hill. So yeah, check this out. Waiting for the others to catch up, as usual.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you let?
Well done, guys. So you may have noticed that I'm the only rider or cyclist with a helmet on. And that's because I brought my helmet, whereas the other three left theirs at home. So we've hired helmets, and as much as we've been riding most of today, or they have been riding most of today without the helmets, we feel that we probably should get helmets for the rest of the tour. So we've just we're stopping in this little town, and apparently the bike hire place has left some helmets for us. So that's what we're going to go do, collect 3 helmets for the rest of the crew, and then we'll be on our way. We're spending the night in a place called Radda in Chianti. So yeah, we're probably about 15 kilometers away still.
My ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words, I'm a grown.
Right, we've arrived in the beautiful little region of Radda, almost at our destination for the day. We've been journeying for about just over 7 hours now. 55 kilometers, 1,000 meters of climbing. So not the longest distance day, but we've stopped along the way We've done a couple of wine tastings and we've had a good day. So yeah, just over 7 hours. Time now is it's about 20 past 5 p.m. So I think a little shower and a little sundowner is in order, and then we'll contemplate our dinner spot for tonight. But yeah, check out the town.